we have it stock rev off. We've got a stock 5.3, 2011 Gen 4 5.3. Got a stock 5.9 Magnum 360. And we've got a stock fuel injected 460 big block Ford. Small block Mopar, small block Chevy, big block Ford. Which one do you think sounds the best? I'll have to be honest here. The jury's kind of out for me. Ever since I acquired this 15 passenger van, I love the sound of this old Mopar. Now this one has also been deleted on the Thieves got the catalytic converter, so it just has a muffler, no cat. That's all stock, and the Ford is still all stock exhaust. So, but regardless, the Mopar sounds really good in my opinion. And I mean, an LS based engine like this 5.3 is hard to beat as well. So I don't know, we'll see.